Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're a parent looking to keep an eye on your child's online activities, or you're worried about your partner's phone usage, then this video is for you. Today, we're diving deep into Mspy, a powerful tool to help you monitor phone activities. Stick around because by the end of this review, you'll know if Mspy is the right fit for your needs. If at any point you decide to try Mspy, you can use link in the description below and get a discounted package. So what exactly is Mspy? It's a comprehensive monitoring app designed to help you keep track of someone's phone activities. With Mspy, you can monitor messages, track visited websites, and so much more. We're going to explore all its features and benefits to help you decide if Mspy suits your situation. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about monitoring calls and messages. If you're worried that your significant other might be hiding something, Mspy can help you check their call logs and messages. It works on both Android and iPhone, so you can see text from iMessage, WhatsApp, Facebook, and more. While it can't record calls, it provides details about call times and contacts, giving you a clear picture of communication patterns. Imagine having the ability to see who they are talking to and when, giving you peace of mind or confirming your suspicions. Another fantastic feature is GPS tracking. Mspy allows you to see the phone's location at any time, perfect for parents who want to ensure their kids' safety. You can even set up virtual boundaries and receive alert when the phone enters or leaves certain areas. This is great for ensuring your child is where they should be or for employers to monitor their workers' locations during work hours. With Mspy's GPS tracking, you'll always know the location of your loved ones or employees, providing an extra layer of security. One feature I find particularly unique is the keylogger. Mspy records every keystroke made on the monitored device. Whether it's messages, passwords, or search queries, you'll have a detailed log of all text entered. This can be incredibly useful for understanding exactly what's happening on the device. It's like having a digital diary of every action, making it easier to uncover any hidden activities. Mspy also offers discrete screen recording. This feature allows you to see the target device's screen in real time, almost like watching a live video. You can catch any inappropriate or harmful activity as it happens, ensuring you don't miss anything even if the user tries to delete it later. This real-time monitoring is crucial for immediate interventions and maintaining safety. And here's something really cool: remote access. With Mspy, you can monitor the target device from anywhere. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, simply log into your Mspy account and see real-time activities on the device. Plus, Mspy operates quietly in the background, leaving no traces, so the user won't know they're being monitored. This feature is perfect for parents, partners, or employers who need to keep an eye on things without being detected. Now, let's dive into how to set up Mspy. It's incredibly simple and hassle-free. Create an account by clicking link in the description below and choose a subscription plan that fits your needs. After that, download the Mspy app onto the target device, and in just a few minutes, you're ready to start monitoring. The installation process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring that even those with minimal tech skills can get it up and running quickly. The Mspy dashboard is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll have no trouble using it. The dashboard is your command center, organizing all activities into different sections like screenshots, visited websites, and keylogger reports. It's designed to be straightforward and accessible, making it perfect for parents and caregivers. You'll have all the information you need at your fingertips, presented in an organized and intuitive way. Curious to see how it all looks and works? Mspy offers a free demo version, which you can access by link in description. This lets you explore the dashboard and get a feel for how data is presented before committing to a subscription. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with the features and ensure it meets your needs before making a purchase. If you ever need assistance, Mspy's customer support team is always ready to help. They're friendly, knowledgeable, and available to assist with any questions or issues you might have. Whether you need help with installation or navigating the dashboard, their support team is there to guide you every step of the way. Now, let's talk pricing. Mspy offers several subscription options: 1 month, 3 months, or 12 months. There's a discount for your first purchase. The 1-month plan is around $48, ideal for short-term monitoring. The 3-month plan costs around $28 per month, which is a better deal if you need monitoring for a slightly longer period. The best value, however, is the 12-month plan, which brings the cost down to around $11 per month. This long-term plan is perfect for parents who want to consistently monitor their child's activities or for anyone needing ongoing surveillance. So, let's break down the pros and cons of Mspy. On the plus side, Mspy offers comprehensive monitoring features, including call logs, GPS tracking, key logging, and screen recording. It's user-friendly, works on both Android and iPhone, and operates discreetly in the background. The remote access feature is incredibly convenient, and the customer support is top-notch. On the downside, Mspy can't record actual phone calls, which might be a limitation for some users. Additionally, while it offers a lot of features, it does come at a price, which might be a bit steep for some budgets. However, considering the range of functionalities and the security it provides, many find it to be worth the investment. In conclusion, Mspy is a robust and reliable monitoring tool that can give you peace of mind when it comes to keeping an eye on your loved ones or employees. Whether you're a concerned parent, a worried partner, or an employer needing to monitor work phones, Mspy has you covered. The array of features and the ease of use make it a strong contender in the monitoring software market. If you think Mspy is the right fit for your needs, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to get Mspy discounted package. And as always, if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials.